Tunisian officials are investigating two suicide bombings. The attacks killed one police officer and injured at least 8 other people. Diplomats meeting in Vienna say they have made one step forward in efforts to save the 2015 Iran nuclear deal. In Genoa, Italy, crews have destroyed the 2 remaining towers of a bridge that collapsed nearly 1 year ago. The bridge collapse killed 43 people. And Hondurans mark 10 years since Manuel Zelaya was ousted as president. Since then, many people have left the country, while others are calling for the resignation of the current president.